Let's lock in.
We don't give no fucks, we in that mode. Whipping a Bugatti locking before we home. We the Kimbillionaires, hyenas, never pay nobody. Rolling with the energy, little hyenas, ain't racing nobody. Yeah, we don't give no fucks, we in that mode. Whipping a Bugatti locking before we home. We the Kimbillionaires, hyenas, never pay nobody. Rolling with the energy, little hyenas, ain't racing nobody. Who got math like this? PSG Lions lock in, get nasty. How you take your trades each day? You know we math.
Does the intro started already? I'm pushing it. Is everything green on my end? And it says it's up like a minute ago. Yeah, that's true. Oh. Yeah, 1 second. God. That's the only thing I didn't recheck. My bad, my bad. Good thing you send it to me. Yeah. Okay, I'm pushing. Yeah. Why? Okay. Push. Cool.
Let's lock in.
We don't give no fucks, we in that mode. Whipping a Bugatti locking before we home. We the Kimbillionaires, hyenas, never pay nobody. Rolling with the energy, little hyenas, ain't racing nobody. Yeah, we don't give no fucks, we in that mode. Whipping a Bugatti locking before we home. We the Kimbillionaires, hyenas, never pay nobody. Rolling with the energy, little hyenas, ain't racing nobody. Who got math like this? PSG Lions lock in, get nasty. How you take your trades each day? You know we math and Fibonacci. We don't play no games with Mario's, no Nintendo, no Atari. Don't be late to the show, never drop no oops, I'm sorry. I don't care if they ain't happy with us, little hyenas. Go sip some coffee. KIMBA gang on the net, iCarly. Let us up on the set by Marley. Y'all cubs can't be tone deaf. Tell me how I sound somebody. This new drop hit like the Hardys. Ladies love our swag like we on a Harley. We in that mode, never switching up on the click. Turn haters to cartoons. Teach a man that an Eddie, little bitch. These charts dance so much, we should call him Charlie. Make a bias so damn strong. Got the team sipping biscotti. Might flip right out and get gnarly. The team tryna party. Kimba gang, Kimba gang, Kimba gang. Kimba gang, Kimba gang. Kimba gang, Kimba gang, Kimba gang. We don't get no fucks, we in that mode. Whipping a Bugatti, locked in before we home. We the Kimbillionaires, hyenas, never pay nobody. Rolling with the energy, little hyenas, ain't raising nobody. We don't get no fucks, we in that mode. Whipping a Bugatti, locked in before we home. We the Kimbillionaires, hyenas, never pay nobody. Rolling with the energy, Kimba gang, ain't raising nobody.
Lions, welcome back. We found our parking garage and we parked down the car right into the sun. Welcome back to the Kimbillionaire game show. It's good to be here a bit back with you all. Thank you. How are you guys doing? Corvizi. This Bugatti is still an old school. That's why it's a unique. That it can fly to the moon. It needs the original keys. PSG stand up. Big welcome to Imsin, Lemon KC, and Nitrogen. Guys, how do you guys feel? Do you guys feel to be ready for some giveaways, some BLOFIN? Let me see the PSG gang standing up for the giveaway. Who's ready? Make sure to have your UIDs in place because we're gonna run a giveaway. And we're firing off. 5 of you will win. And the keyword is exclamation Wednesday juice. Let's get in there. It's exclamation Wednesday juice for a hundo on BLOFIN. Get in there, get in there. We also have Brainsome and entering. Welcome to the KIMBA gang. That's your first time chatting and already in the giveaway. It's just the perfect time to join. Welcome everybody. We have Biker Mouse, Ghost BTC, Deadshot, and Glade Hole as well. 3 minutes left. Make sure to don't make any mistakes while you type the keyword. And if you can fill out your UID in 2 minutes, Bike, then that's Gucci. But make sure to check out the new dashboard, the KimbaTV.dashboard, where we have not only the UIDs, but you guys can check out the stream schedule for this week. A lot of things coming. Let's go, get in there. Last minutes left probably. We have your side, Bartolino and Elisa also entering. Yes, 2 minutes left. We have new 15 questions. Let's see if the new Lions will have a chance to get to the leaderboard, but everybody has a chance to win something in the Kimbillionaire game show. Well, mostly the top 3 will win a Coinwise promo code. As long as you have submitted the game show form, you have your TradingView account linked to your Coinwise account. And big shout out to the Coinwise team, helping you guys to juice up. Hey, happy 420, welcome back. Big shout out to Mrs. Happy and Baby Happy as well. 1 minute left. It's exclamation Wednesday juice. I also renewed my sub, but whatever reason it's not showing up. But I'm so close to be a Batman, guys, it's crazy. We have Zach and Schroeder also entering on BLOFIN for 100. And if you happen to win the giveaway, then you just need to trade it. Make sure to don't withdraw it right away. That's some money that is only for trading. As long as you make profits with it, then you can withdraw the profits or make it to even better, from 100 to 1,000 or 10,000 as well. Hey, shout out Bergie. PSG stand up. And big shout out to the guys on PSG is gonna compete on Kimbillionaire tonight. Wow, 30 of you have entered and we have some winners. Big shout out to the following people, starting with your side, winning 100 on BLOFIN. The second one is Alicia winning 100 on BLOFIN. The next one is a Pavilion winning 100. Also Orhas 115 also in there in the winners. And we have at last Ostroyevsky winning $100 on BLOFIN. Show some love, Lions, in the chat for the winners. Congratulations to each and every one of you winning the giveaway. Let's go, let's go. If you guys are new, make sure to trade this giveaway, don't withdraw it. And if it's your first day or first month in crypto, welcome to KIMBA gang. We all started at some point, so you guys are not alone. Bull, bear, we all lions, and we are in this together, just as with the Kimbillionaire game show. And I'm happy to say that I had a meeting with a special person. If you guys are familiar with the Home Alone time, whenever Bitcoin is alone, I had a meeting with Kevin, and I'm happy to say we decorated the Kimbillionaire show with some Christmas vibes. So make sure to show some love if you like it. It's Kevin. Kevin was here. Let's go, let's go. We have some amazing Christmas emotes in KIMBA gang as well. Now it's getting relatable again. Let's go, let's go. Now, Lions. Yeah. I would also send an emoji, but my sub is still glitching out. However, new questions has been added to the Kimbillionaire game show. We have 15 questions that you guys need to answer. The goal is to answer correctly and hopefully fast enough that will earn you points on the Kimbillionaire game show. In any case you guys have difficulty answering a question, we have lifelines on our hands. You guys can ask your favorite moderators, or just take another chance in a vote, or take a 50-50. Somebody is already voting, so I'm not holding back the game. Let's get started with the first question of the day. Is not other than, what's the name of the other KIMBA.tv Twitch channel? Now that's an interesting one. Did you guys know that we have another Twitch channel? The following options are here, which is A, To the Balcony, B, KIMBA ERL, or C, KIMBA Gaming. We had a period in our life where we were gaming a lot of COD. If you remember, guys, the COD games, then shout out to you guys. And D, of course, we have the KIMBA Mobile. I wonder what could it be. Just as I believe Curvizi was playing from the phone on Monday. Maybe it's related to that, who knows? Curviz, we always go to the balcony in every stream, especially in PSG. You guys have seconds left to lock in those answers. And the Lions are voting D, which is KIMBA Mobile. Let's see, Lions, if you are right about this one. And congratulations, you were. Seems like a lot of you have joined on the KIMBA Mobile streams as well. I believe one of the best moments, for me at least, it was when KIMBA showed his setup, streaming setup. It was a lot of juice. So if you have a favorite moment about the KIMBA.mobile, then make sure to share with us. And now we're locking in with the second question. Which feature was recently updated in the KIMBA dashboard related to NFTs? The possible options are A, minting is now free, B, profile view now shows NFTs rarity and ranking, or is it C, automatic trading via NFTs? Would you guys trade your Lions of Lithuania NFT away? That would be crazy. Or we have D. NFTs can be converted to Doge. Any altcoins enjoyers in the chat? Toddler, Manaka, and also UP and Arhas is locking in with B. Cocadeleus, welcome back. Thank you for submitting the form this week. Oh, and we're locking in B. Lions are locking in B, which means profile view now shows NFT's rarity and ranking. If you guys have a Lions of Lithuania NFT, make sure that you can upload it as a profile picture over at dashboard, exclamation dashboard. If you guys see on the bottom of the screen, we have a lot of heads just moving around, so make sure that you are not naked and showing yourself correctly, because congratulations, this was the correct answer. And if you grabbed Lions of Lithuania NFT recently, make sure to head out to our Discord, exclamation Discord, and just post it because they look amazing. Now Lions. It looks like Kirby's is at the first place already, following behind with Domchak and Imsin, the top 3 Kimbillionaire veterans are in there. Let's go. Tony Soprano, welcome, welcome, welcome. Are you ready for the next question? Which indicator is mainly used to measure volume flow balance between buyers and sellers? If you guys are experiencing lag, let me know. On my end it looks good now. Is it A, RSI, B, VWAP, C, OBV, aka on balance volume, or D, delta/CVD? Big shout out to the YouTube gang as well. If you're watching from YouTube, a lot of people are locking in D, aka the data is the data and preparation meets opportunity. We have Gonza, we have Lena as well, and Zach also entering. That's for answering your question, Curveezy. We made some changes, so now everybody's eligible to win, even if you should be in a cooldown or not. Don't worry. We are locking in D, which is delta/CVD. And Lions, this was the correct answer. Salute to you, McKellen. Welcome, welcome. Now Lions, we have a good momentum, so let's just keep going. What happens when price strongly rejects from a key liquidity zone? Did Bitcoin and shorters lose some key liquidity zones? Now is our chance to put what we learned from this week in action. Is it A, price often reverses rapidly due to an absorption? B, trading view closes automatically. In case if your internet goes down as mine on Monday, and I'm gonna knock on the wood that it's gonna be fine tonight. And C, all leverage is disabled. Shout out to spot buyers. And D, chat switches to 1 second time frame. What's the time frame you guys usually trade on? Are you guys like a weekly breakout trader with a higher time frame, or you guys just gamble on the 1 minute? I can tell you there is a really cool indicators that you could use even if you trade on the 1 minute. Big shout out to the Coinwise team, exclamation Coinwise, where they have amazing indicators, and they still have the Black Friday deal until December 5th. So make sure to grab it if you haven't bought anything on the Black Friday deal. It's like 60% off. Even if you can gift it to your fellow lion if you want to. And other than indicators, they have an amazing educational topics. And even quizzes, if you guys enjoying the quizzes so far. Much love to each and every one of you participating. Let's go, let's go. Now, we locked in A, which is price often reverses rapidly due to absorption. And congratulations, because this was the correct answer. Just as the price absorbing the levels, you guys absorbing these questions crazy, because we are already at the question 5, which is going for our first Coinwise promo code of the day. Are you guys ready to lock in for question 5 for the promo code? Because I didn't see Inky in the chat, but you know what's gonna happen? It's gonna happen that you guys need to type join with capitals to enter into the hot seat. This is a hot seat moment, and while you guys are entering join with capitals, let me tell you about hot seat. It's been a hot minute that we've been used it. Last time it got us kachoid, but not this time. The hot seat will allow you to answer one question, which means only one lion could answer one question, taking one for the team. As you answer on the hot seat, you guys have 20 minutes to join. We have 5 entries so far, 6, 7. It will be like between 7 of you. It's gonna be chosen. But if you answer correctly on the hot seat, you win like 20 points. I can tell you that. It's not gonna crash without thinking. If it's gonna crash, then I'm gonna be sad. But it won't. And we're choosing Arhas 115. Welcome onto the hot seat. Now you have a couple of seconds to answer this question. Lions, you guys can help him if you want to. Let's go, Arhas. I'm also from Europe, Jupi. We're all in this together. I got Kachoid in Mondoya. Kirby's is helping, but either trust your gut or trust anybody. We're locking in B. So when was the last FOMC this year? Is it A, August 10, B, October 29, C, March 14, yeah, and D, December 8. Arhas has been chosen B. Did you trade FOMC this year, Arhas, or any of you? Do you guys enjoy the FOMC juice? Do you guys miss Jerome Powell? We always watch those crazy interviews that they have with him. He's a cool dude. He's a cool dude. Now, Arhas. By the power given to me, I'm gonna reveal the question. Oh, you're in Greece, Jupi? That's great. I was in Greece 2 months ago. I was started the Kimbillionaire game show streaming from a hotel room. That's a fun fact. And congratulations to Arhas winning his or her first hot seat moment at the Kimbillionaire game show. We just secured our first Coinwise promo code. Let's go, Lions. Let's go. Let's go. Big applause to each and every one of you. Kind of mumbling there, but we'll keep going. When was the last stream from KIMBA himself? Do you guys remember? Is it A, the end of August, B, around September, C, February on Valentine's Day, if you celebrate the romance, or D, New Year's Eve? If you guys want a PSG nerd out in New Year's Eve, then make sure to make yourself heard on the Discord. It is a tough question. You guys have 20 seconds left. It's really almost tied between A and B. Majority of the people leaning towards A. If you guys miss KIMBA, then make sure to show some love to KIMBA on the Discord general chat. We're locking in A, which is the end of August. Could it been that so long ago, Lions? It looks like it was the end of August indeed, around August 28 or 29 was the last stream by the big Lion King by himself. Let's go, Lions. Let me look at the leaderboard quickly because we have some new contestants on the top 3. We have Curvizi almost at 100 points. We have Domchek. We have Labig on the 3. We have Manaka. And we have rest of the guys on top 10. Let's go, let's go. Plenty of time to get into that leaderboard and grab the rewards. This is for a Kimbillionaire special question. Which Lion was the first to win a hot seat double round? Which means that person got into the hot seat twice in the same game and win every one of them in that game. Is it Inky? I might help a little bit too much. Is it Inky Deranged? B, Snake. Do we have like a Snake participant? Is it C, Nitrogen? Or D, Sierra? Big shout out to Nitrogen, Monaka, Mad, McKillum. Nitrogen is staying true to himself. I love that, I love that. Kirby says just rename to Inky Seat already. Hey, Inky is not here. Maybe. Micro Trader, welcome. Where is Inky? We have a time change. Hopefully the time change hasn't messed up with people's perception of time, that the Kimbillionaire is starting a bit earlier. We're locking in Inky Deranged, a Lion who has been part of KIMBA Gang and PSG for a long time. And indeed, she was the one who answered hot seats twice or 3 times within one game. If we look at quickly, if you guys let me look at quickly the previous winners, Inky was in the hot seat a lot of the times. Maybe you can see it from the Christmas decorations, but here we go. Inky was in the hot seat for 5 times already since the game started, and shout out to our previous winners where we collect the data from you guys. So make sure to get into those games, answer those questions, and yeah, juice up. Now Lions, PSG, stand up in the chat because we are going forward. What does the acronym WEEX stands for? Yeah, McCollum. I will try my best to include everyone. Just as with this question, the possible options are A, value weighted analysis process, or B, volume weighted average price. I heard that one before. Or is it C, verified whale activity protocol? It sounds like sketchy if you ask me. And we have D, virtual weighted ask price. While you guys lock into those answers, looks like a lot of you chosen B, so I will try my best to read first. And we're locking in B as volume weighted average. Shout out to Macklin. If you guys like Lithuania's Got Talent, make sure to head over to Discord and stay tuned for the announcement with this one, because season 2 has been started with Lithuania's Got Talent. So make sure to submit your songs and may the best win. Let's just enjoy the music as well in this week. But here in Kimbillionaire, you guys need to lock in for the remaining questions. We still have a lot to way to go, and we haven't used any of our lifelines left. So keep it up, Lions, keep it up. I'm very proud of you, each and every one of you. Big shout out to Nitrogen as well. Much love. Now, Lions, do you guys know which chart type shows time distribution at certain price levels? A, is it anchored range chart? B, volume bars? C, TPO slash market profile? Or D, is a Renko chart? A lot of you guys are leaning towards C. C is in Cyper, but maybe there is no like relation to that. We have Zags, the Mill, welcome, Tony Soprano. Welcome. Hey, shout out to Maestro with a Z. Looks like McCollum is helping also. And now we're locking in C, which is TPO slash market profile. Do you guys use this one? Or if you guys haven't not sure about it, then make sure to check out the educational videos posted by Coinwise. Shout out Coinwise, exclamation Coinwise. They have related courses to market profiles as well. Because this was the correct answer. But learning until we die is the key to success in life. And that's the motto on KIMBA Gang as well. Because we are heading towards the second Coinwise promo of the day, Lions. Are you guys ready to get into that hot seat? I want each and every one of you to type join with capitals, because you guys have 1 minute to join to the hot seat. Let's go. We have Curveezy, we have Cucadeliosa, Mad420 also joining for the chance for the hot seat, and Nitrogen. As you guys remember, Inky, the queen of the hot seat, she is not here with us today, so make her proud and answering those questions correctly on the hot seat. I'm bringing out the spotlight. The spotlight is the light which will just beam into your eyes while you're sitting on the hot seat answering one of the toughest questions for today at the Kimbillionaire game show. Get in there. Damon is also giving his chance. Tony Soprano and Girlfriend. Welcome. Big shout out to the PSG. We have Curvees answering this one. Let's go, Curvees. Now the question was there, and also the possible answers. How old is the Juiciest channel? Is it A, 1 year, B, less than a month, C, 10 months, or D, 3 years? A lot of the people are giving you a chance to take their advice or do by your own. You joined at October 15 and 2024. Yeah. So, which letter would you say that is? That was the account was created. I don't want to do math. I just wanted a letter. You are saying it's 1 year. Curvy said 1 year, aka A. Curveezy. Now, Lions, do you have trust within your fellow lion, or you are closing your eyes as Cucadeliosa does? I believe this was unfortunately not the correct answer, Curveezy, so make sure to lock in for a vote line. We have 50-50, 2 to take another vote, or ask a mod. Or did I? Maybe I made a mistake as well, but we're gonna ask a mod. Best of my knowledge, it was not a year ago. So you guys have collectively as a team make a choice. Is it C, 10 months, or B, less than a month? When was the first time we met Hugh Juicin? That's the keyword.
Here in November.
You're in November. Thank you, Steve. Hey, no worries, Curveezy, no worries. The hot seat is hot for that reason. It happens with the best of us. We get got sometimes, but we're locking in C, which is 10 months, which corresponds to the first video that been published to the Hugh Juicin channel, because logically, if you ask me, that was the first time we met Hugh Juicin. That was the first time we got introduced to the story. But indeed, I understand you as well. Hey, if it makes you any happier, if it makes you happy, I have to say that currently you are the first one still at the leaderboard, despite not answering correctly in the hot seat with this one, but yeah, you're still up in there. Let's go. Hey, I promise to you that I'm not gonna tell Inky, okay? I'm not gonna tell Inky. We're just gonna tell her that a new lion answered the hot seat correctly. Now, why do whales target liquidation clusters? Any whales in the chat? We have A, to boost staking APR. B, to gain Twitch subscribers, because everybody is aiming for a great community that we have, but it's hard to be this awesome as we are. Or C, to trigger liquidity sweeps and fill large orders with better pricing. Zemil says so they can buy Lamborghinis. Indeed. I believe a lot of the guys in PFG are Team Bugatti, if you ask me, but especially the guys over Lions of Lithuania with the Useless Line records. And you guys have a couple of seconds left. Nobody is voting for B because it looks cool on charts. Maybe Wales can decorate like a Christmas tree on the charts. We'll see. But for this one, we're locking in C, which to trigger liquidity sweeps and fill large orders with better pricing. And congratulations, this was the correct answer. Confettis are shown on the screen. Let's go Lions. If you guys are enjoying the game show so far, then I'm happy to say that on the weekly we are so close to another milestone that we have already up in the 2000 points territory on the weekly. Shout out to Curvizi, Inky and Imsin. Will there anyone who will take their places up there? We just gotta play a lot more to make it. As with this question as well, coin-wise, new beginner lesson talks about what? What is the new coin-wise lesson about? Is it A, the foundation of candlestick trading? B, teaches order block? C, talks about the newest indicator. If you guys have been here this week, we had AMAs with Bytesor, one of the developers at Coinwise, building the indicators, or the how to connect your exchange to your trading view. Nitrogen was typing some Greek letters. I believe it won't work. But yes guys, Coinwise have an amazing Black Friday deal still going on, so make sure to grab it if you haven't already. They have amazing educational topics. And yes, they had a topic about psychology as well. I've seen a writing about psychology, but looks like the Lions are locking in A, which talks about the foundation of candlesticks reading. Do you guys know how to read candlesticks? If you are not, then you might have a chance to read it at over Coinwise at the educational video, because this was the correct answer as well. Sometimes it's not enough to just color your candles as like red or green. In my case it's white and red. But I'm very curious how you guys would design your own candle bars or candlesticks at TradingView. And Kirby says it's right. Psychology came out first, then the candlesticks. Yes. Shout out to Coinwise, exclamation Coinwise. What trading style is characterized by quick entries and exits within minutes? We briefly talked about this one. Is it A, swing trading, B, scalping, C, investing, or D, position trading, whatever that it means? And Lions, I want you to know, in case if you win today at the Kimbillionaire game show, one way to redeem your prize proudly is that if you have submitted the game show form, you have an active Coinwise account linked to your TradingView account, then you're eligible to win today's giveaway. And one way to win it is to head over to the Coinwise Discord channel, where they have a hashtag redeem channel, and you guys just need to say, hey, I've been one of the winners at the Kimbillionaire game show and I want my reward, and I'm sure the team at Coinwise, they will help you guys out. We are locking in B, which is scalping. And I'm happy to say that yes, the style that does quick entries and exits within minutes, it means that people is using a shorter time frame, is indeed the style of scalping. Congratulations, yes, we have the sniper entry. For investing, I would say that it mostly goes to the spot enjoyers. We had a request to read some bios. I'm happy to do so. If you ask me. Well, we're warming up for the last questions. And big shout out to each and every one of you submitting some background about yourself. Let's see. We had a couple of them. One of my most memorable one was a person who wrote me that, hey Cyper, I'm currently playing the game. I can't really answer to this question because I'm playing the game. Imagine somebody is filling out the game show form that should have been filled out already, but that person was filling it out during the game show. That's crazy. Hey, insane. Yeah. We have Matt420. I saw him in the chat today, and he unfortunately didn't say anything about himself. That's a bit sad. Okay, we have we have Seiji entered something. Let me read it for you guys. I've been in KIMBA gang since 14 months ago. I was part of the 2020 bull run. Guys, when did you guys join crypto? Was it the 2020 bull run? And invested on a bunch of coins. Hopefully not shit coins. Then I started trading. After that, I had a bunch of losses. It happens with all of us. They weren't learning with CoinWise. And however, whenever he were browsing on Twitch, he came across the KIMBA stream and had been hooked ever since. Yes, Corvizi, we have an amazing community over at Discord at the PSG channel. Let's go. Nitrogen joined that 2020 beer run. I'm not sure which is the best, if you join like around the beer market or a bull market. Insane. I'm gonna read yours, but I'm gonna read Cucadeliosa's first because it just popped in. Cucadeliosa has been a member of KIMBA gang since June 2025. That's quite recently. Welcome to the KIMBA gang. But before that, he deposited his first $200 to some crypto to short some memes. It never goes well to short memes, but he did it anyway, and then continued shorting, adding more margin, and deleveraged the positions. Until then, there was a sign of change, and that change was KIMBA gang, because he found KIMBA and the Lions. We embraced him with our warmth and happy vibes, and the community welcomed him and united him to learn more. And thank you for the happy words as well. I believe each and every one of us got something ever since we joined the KIMBA gang. A sense of family, a sense of belonging. Big shout out to Cucadeliosa, much love. Let me find Imsin. Yes, I find him. Let's go. Imsin. He said, hi everyone. Hi Imsin. I'm part of the KIMBA gang from about 3 years. First time I got into the trading space, I immediately found KIMBA Wow, that's crazy. Like finding Kimba right away, starting your journey with a good foundation, that's juice. I wasn't even do that. When I joined Kimba Gang, I think I was doing some teaching at a university. I was like really bored and just like scroll Twitch and just happened to come across Kimba as well. So Imsin was impressed by Kimba's psychology and how he was pushing everyone, even himself, to be better, because preparation meets opportunity. That means if we are better every day, only by 1%, then we can make it in this quote-unquote game of trading. And he also enjoyed the concept of the lions and the hyenas. And Kimba is just an impressive person overall. Imsin says it was the best decision I made ever, and I can't wait to improve and help all the lions juice, not just himself, but all the lions. Big shout out to Imsin. That's amazing. Much love to you. Show some love to the people who are playing today and participating. Shout out to McCallum, Imsin, and Cocadeliosa. Big shout out to you guys. You guys are amazing. Thank you for being here. And if you guys are ready, then let's just get the last Coinwise promo code, shall we? You guys can make it. We might lost one lifeline, but we are not giving up until we're winning the very end. Much love to each and every one of you. The next question is coming right up. No, it seems relatable after all the background stories we hear. What mental trap leads traders to open bigger positions after losses? Because not everybody can win, especially in the beginning. It's fine to lose. It's fine to lose. Is A, boredom, B, revenge trading, C, lack of caffeine? I mostly drink like black tea, so I'm not a coffee guy. And D, FOMO all in. You guys have 30 seconds left to lock in those answers. A lot of you leaning towards B. At least nobody is revenge trading or doing anything crazy when they are bored. You guys just for data to come in, to Zebra, to come in front of you. And yes, Kirby, shout out to Coinwise. They have, as I said, they have an amazing educational topics, including psychology and what to do when we are losing. As you guys said, a lot of people might be revenge trading. Let's see if that's the correct answer. And looks like it was the correct answer. It seems like each and one of us, since we are in this together in this journey, at some point in our life we did some revenge trading. Whenever I started out and started revenge trading, I only did like $1 or $5, but I put like max leverage. If you guys remember and checking out the exclamation dashboard, I believe BTCC has like a 500x leverage. That's crazy. Yes, Kirby's max leverage $1 is fun, especially if it's a 500 leverage. Shout out all the exchanges over at the dashboard. Make sure you guys check it out and fill out your UIDs if you haven't already, especially if you're a new lion. Guys, the time has come. Are you guys ready to sit in a particular seat that's very hot? It's very uncomfortable because that spotlight over there at the top is beaming into your eyes. We still have some lifelines left, so no worries, no worries. Curvis, much love, we love you. And McCallum is already in there. Please type it again because we just started right now. You guys have 1 minute to type join. Let's go, let's go. We have 4 entries so far. Whether you do it with capitals or normal, it's fine. But writing with capitals, it has more weight, you know? Let's get in there, get in there. I'm gonna run some music while we are queuing up for the hot seat. You guys have 20 seconds left, get in there. Gary Robertson, MicroTrader, Nordsea, Arhas, trying again. Leo, Zach, also joining on the hot seat. Get in there, get in there. And we're choosing Lebby G We to answer this question, the last question of the day. Cage wins just a couple of seconds left. But it's fine, you can still help him out. So, I'm sorry, I'm gonna put the spotlight away. So, which exchange is used most frequently when viewing BTC charts during market nerdouts, aka with Mandalo? Lebig says it's Coinbase. Hopefully you read rest of the options, but you chose between A, Coinbase, B, BitMEX, C, WEEX, or D for Bybit. Lebig, a lion with not other than a 7-month badge answering this question, the last one in today's Kimbillionaire game show for the third and last Coinwise promo code exclamation Coinwise. Big shout out to the Coinwise team helping me, helping you guys. Welcome Hola, welcome, welcome. Now Lions, whether you win today or not, I wanna say that I'm happy that you guys did so good at today's Kimbillionaire game show. I'm proud of each and every one of you, but I'm more proud for this question that have been answered correctly. Congratulations. And Lions, the ones who have won, I'm gonna show the final leaderboard. Big shout out to Curvis at first place. At second place we have Lebig. Congratulations. Seems like sitting on the hot seat does give you some extra credits because you have 200 points, and at third place we have Domchak, and just a shy 1 point behind we have Imsin at fourth place. Congratulations winners, congratulations. Please Lions, if you have won today, make sure to head over to the Coinwise Discord and redeem your prize at hashtag redeem channel. Big congratulations to each and every one of you, but mostly first place at Curveezy, second place is Lebig, and third is Domchak. It was a very, very close game by the top 3 participants. Much love to each and every one of you Lions. How do you guys feel? We cleared the game show without any issues. Big shout out to my internet provider, and big shout out to each and every one of you. Much love, much love. And the Lions, the new Lions who have joined, big shout out to each and every one of you. I hope you guys learned something new today. Yeah. Hey Crazy, it's gonna be our secret, guys. Nobody tell Inky what happened today with the hot seat. All we need to say that we have our winners. But oh Lions, what's that? What's that? Lions, we have a Coinwise giveaway started where we're giving away 3 Coinwise basic subscriptions. Please make sure to type exclamation enter to participate. You guys have 3 minutes to get in there. The juice never stops. That means today not only 3 person but 6 person gonna juice up with some Coinwise promo codes. Exclamation enter. Yeah, shout out test. It's probably testnet, right Cage?
Yeah, it's coming in hot from testnet. Gotta be testnet. Hit him with the D.
Hit him with the D, hit him with the testnet, exclamation, enter. You guys have 3 minutes. Get in there, get in there. I queued up some music. If it's too loud, let me know. But you guys have 2 minutes to enter for the Coinwise Basic subscription giveaway. Exclamation, enter, and big shout out to McCallum gifting a sub to Morpheus. McCallum, much love, much love. I'm giving you a high five. We have Hannah Montana, the singer herself, entering for some Coinwise giveaway. Imagine Hannah Montana, aka Miley Cyrus, also wanna juice up on the Coinwise educational videos. That's crazy. Hey McCallum, let's go, let's go. You guys have 1 minute, last minute to enter. Exclamation, enter.
Exclamation, enter, y'all. Hey, these are 3 Coinwise Basic subscriptions. These are monthly subscriptions. Get in there. Anybody can enter. Anybody can enter. Go ahead and enter, y'all. Exclamation, enter. These are 3 Coinwise Basic subscriptions.
Type it up. Cyper, let's go.
Let's go, let's go.
There,
Last minute chances, let's go. Get in there, Lions. If you guys want to continue, with the quizzes, if you guys want to learn more, or if you guys just want to use. Yes,
Heat Earth, I'm looking at it. What's wrong with it?
Yeah. We had a question, where is the UID on Coinwise? It's under the settings at your profile. I'm gonna help you right away. But we have some winners. Big shout out to KCEX winning the Coinwise Basic subscription. And the second, we have Northsis 0 winning also the Coinwise promo. And we have Morpheus version 3 winning the Coinwise promo as well. Big shout out to each and every one of you. Yet again, please make sure to redeem. How to redeem, especially this Coinwise Basic subscription. The gifted one is A, connect your Twitch account at the Coinwise website, and after, you're just gonna check your email address for the gifted code, which you would need to enter and use it on the site. And as for the Kimbillionaire game show itself, big shout out to Curveezy, Lebig, and Domcheck. You guys need to head over also to the Coinwise Discord channel and redeem your prizes over at the redeem channel, and saying proudly that you guys are today's winners of the Kimbillionaire game show. But if you guys have any questions, I'm sure their support team is very helpful and you guys are gonna get assisted. Hey, that's a lot of juice, Lions, that's a lot of juice. Shout out McCallum also gifting another shop to KCEX. I think this moment requires a more proper music, which is KIMBA Gang is Invincible, one of my favorite. Let's go, Lions. How did you guys enjoy today's game show? Right now we're invincible. Let's go, let's go. Guys, if you guys enjoying the music, make sure to stay in tune for the Liquid Has Got Talent. They have season 2 started. Make sure to submit your musics as well. And if you're not sure when or the next streams are, check out at the stream schedule over at Exclamation Dashboard. Hey, I can still put the Christmas decoration here as well. But then the ear of the lion will be too cold. Zernit, if it's true, then make sure to make a super ticket over at our Discord. Hey Nitrogen, the pleasure is mine. We're gonna listen to this music and we're gonna cue out with the intro. Much love to you, Lions. Amazing performance today. And you Lions, Arhas, Lido, make sure to head over to the Discord, be part of the community, and welcome in your journey. Micro Trader, you too, get in there, get into the Discord. Hey, hola mama, Miabris. That's a cool name. Let's go new Lions, let's get in there. Hey Lions, show some love to the new ones. Hey McCallum, I'm a big tea lover as well. Exclamation, welcome, exclamation, one of us now, let's go, let's go. Kimba gang is invincible, Lions. Thank you for joining today. I love each and every one of you. Stay safe, stay wise. Make sure to redeem your prizes that you have won today. Just head over at the Coinwise Discord channel and over at the redeem channel, make sure to redeem it. And then stay tuned for the upcoming streams. Exclamation dashboard. We're gonna be back very soon. Until then, let's meet at the balcony. Let's meet at PSG. Thank you for Cage and Houston being here with me today as well. Show some love to them and each and every one of you. Peace out.
Let's lock in.
We don't give no fucks, we in that mode. Whipping a Bugatti locking before we home. We the Kimbillionaires, hyenas, never pay nobody. Rolling with the energy, little hyenas, ain't racing nobody. Yeah, we don't give no fucks, we in that mode. Whipping a Bugatti locking before we home. We the Kimbillionaires, hyenas, never pay nobody. Rolling with the energy, little hyenas, ain't racing nobody. Who got math like this? PSG Lions lock in, get nasty. How you take your trades each day? You know we math and Fibonacci. We don't play no games with Mario's, no Nintendo, no Atari. Don't be late to the show. Never drop no oops. I'm sorry. I don't care if they ain't happy with us. Little hyenas, go sip some coffee. Kimba gang on the net, iCarly. Let us up on the set by Marley. Y'all cubs can't be tone deaf. Tell me how I sound somebody. This new drop hit like the Hardys. Ladies love our swag like we on a Harley. We in that mode, never switching up on the click. Turn haters to cartoon. Teach a man that an Eddie, little bitch. These charts dance so much, we should call him Charlie. Make a bias so damn strong. Got the team sipping biscotti. Might flip right out and get gnarly. The team tryna party. Kimba gang, Kimba gang, Kimba gang. Kimba gang, Kimba gang. Kimba gang, Kimba gang, Kimba gang. We don't get no fucks, we in that mode. Whipping a Bugatti, locked in before we home. We the Kimbillionaires, hyenas, never pay nobody. Rolling with the energy, little hyenas, ain't raising nobody. We don't get no fucks, we in that mode. Whipping a Bugatti, locked in before we home. We the Kimbillionaires, hyenas, never pay nobody. Rolling with the energy, Kimba gang, ain't raising nobody.
Houston, I'm gonna switch very soon. I'm gonna close it down. Now.